Check out this Dodge 2019 Durango SXT Plus. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVTU PG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, full-size spare tires, 265/50R20 VSW as LRR, third row seating group included, second row 60/40 fold and tumble seat, third row remote headrest dumping, third row seat 7 passenger seating, granite clear coat, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches satin carbon design, anodized platinum package included, platinum fog lamp bezels, platinum front fascias, platinum grille with platinum texture wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches satin carbon design tires, 265/50